Hey there! When it comes to survival, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 5 simple but effective DIY survival tools using everyday household items. Let's dive in and see what you can whip up with stuff you probably already have lying around. In a survival situation, clean drinking water is essential. Let's make a DIY water filter using a plastic bottle. Grab an empty, rinsed plastic bottle and cut off the bottom. Use the top part as a funnel. Layer fabric, charcoal, sand, and gravel inside. Pour water slowly through the filter. This simple project ensures safer drinking water. A little ingenuity and you've got clean water. Alright, let's move on to something a little more stylish, the paracord bracelet. Now this isn't just any bracelet, it's a survival tool disguised as a fashion statement. First things first, you're going to need some paracord. Get yourself about 10 feet of it. Now there are tons of different ways to braid paracord. I'm going to show you a simple one called the cobra stitch. To start, fold your paracord in half and make a loop at the fold. This is going to be the loop that goes around your wrist. Then take one of the loose ends of the paracord and pass it under the loop, creating a smaller loop. Take the other loose end of the paracord and pass it over the first loose end, then down through the smaller loop you just made. Pull both loose ends tight to secure the knot. Now repeat that process until you reach the desired length for your bracelet. Once your bracelet is long enough, tie the 2 loose ends together with a secure knot. You can melt the ends of the paracord slightly with a lighter to prevent fraying. And there you have it, your very own paracord bracelet. If you ever find yourself in a bind, you can unravel the bracelet and use the paracord for all sorts of things. It's like having a mini survival kit right there on your wrist. Plus, it's way cooler than those silicone wristbands everyone else is wearing. Chapter 3. Soda Can Alcohol Stove. Let's make a DIY alcohol stove from a soda can. It's simple, effective, and uses materials you probably have at home. First, get an empty soda can. Make sure it's clean and dry. Remove the top with a can opener. Draw a line an inch from the bottom and cut along it. Punch holes around the top edge for ventilation. Nest the top part into the bottom part. Pour in denatured alcohol and light it. You'll have a steady flame for cooking. And there you have it, your DIY soda can alcohol stove. Chapter 4, Duct Tape Rope. Next up, we've got a true classic, duct tape. But we're not just going to patch something up with it. Oh no, we're going full MacGyver and turning it into rope. Now, you don't need any fancy duct tape for this, just your standard silver stuff will do. So, take your roll of duct tape and tear off a strip about 1 foot long. Lay it sticky side up on your work surface. Then tear off another strip of the same length and lay it directly on top of the first strip, sticky side down. This creates a double thick strip of duct tape. Starting at one end, tightly roll the double thick strip of duct tape upon itself. Keep rolling, keeping the tension tight until you reach the other end. You should now have a solid, surprisingly strong rope made entirely of duct tape. You can actually make this duct tape rope even stronger by twisting it. Once you've rolled up the duct tape, hold one end in each hand and twist in opposite directions. This will create a tight, spiral pattern in the rope, making it even more durable. And there you have it, your very own duct tape rope. It's surprisingly strong and can be used for all sorts of things in a survival situation. Chapter 5, Tin Can Signal Light. Let's talk about signaling for help if you're lost in the wilderness. A reliable way to attract attention can be a lifesaver. We're making a DIY signal light using a simple tin can. It's easy and effective. Use any size tin can, but larger cans reflect more light. Ensure the can is clean and empty for better light reflection. Carefully punch a vent hole in the bottom of the can. Remove the top of the can to catch and reflect light. Dent the bottom to create a concave shape for better reflection. Aim the can towards a light source to reflect a bright beam. This beam can be seen from miles away, making it a great way to signal for help. And there you have it. Your DIY tin can signal light. Outrow, be prepared with DIY survival tools. So there you have it, 5 easy DIY survival tools that you can make with everyday items. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, going on a camping trip, or just want to be more resourceful, these tools can really come in handy. A little creativity and some household items are all you need to be prepared for whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DIY survival tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.